I'm making a twist on everyone's favourite coffee cocktail, the Espresso Martini. But this is a MONIN Salted Caramel Espresso Martini. Into an Überbartools cocktail shaker, I'm adding 20 ml MONIN Salted Caramel, .45 ml of AVOSH Premium Vodka, a small batch Australian spirit, and 30 ml of good espresso, which you can easily get in a bottle if you don't have access to an espresso machine. Shake it up real sharp. Fine strain into a coupe glass and garnish with 2 or 3 roasted coffee beans. Bring the world's most popular cocktail into your home with a MONIN Salted Caramel Espresso Martini. Even when safe at home, always drink responsibly.